So, neither, and too. Me too and me neither. The easiest way to agree in English is to say me too, to agree with a positive statement, or me neither, to agree with a negative statement. I love strawberry ice cream. Me too. I don't go to the gym very often. Me neither. A negative statement is any sentence that uses a negative auxiliary verb. Don't, doesn't, didn't, can't, haven't, hasn't, hadn't, won't, wouldn't, isn't, aren't, am not, and never. You can say me too or me neither in response to statements in any tense: present, past, future, present continuous, present perfect, past perfect, etc. Examples: I've been traveling a lot for work lately. Me too. I haven't seen the new movie yet. Me neither. I'm going to the beach tomorrow. Me too. I can't draw very well. Me neither. The phrase me either is not technically correct, but many people say it in spoken English. So do I and neither do I. You can say so do I and neither do I to respond to simple present sentences. I always sleep late on Saturday. So do I. I don't think that's a good idea. Neither do I. So am I, and neither am I. You can say so am I and neither am I to respond to simple present sentences with the verb be or present continuous sentences. I'm from Moscow. So am I. I'm not very outgoing. Neither am I. I'm studying for the test next week. So am I. So did I, and neither did I. You can say so did I and neither did I to respond to simple past sentences. I studied chemistry in college. So did I. I didn't like broccoli when I was a kid. Neither did I. So was I and neither was I. You can say so was I and neither was I to respond to simple past sentences with the verb be or past continuous sentences. I was very athletic when I was in high school. So was I. I wasn't happy about the new company policy. Neither was I. So have I and neither have I. You can say so have I and neither have I to respond to present perfect sentences and present perfect continuous sentences. I've been married for over 20 years. So have I. I haven't had much free time this week. Neither have I. I've been thinking about learning a new language. So have I. I haven't been feeling well lately. Neither have I. So can I and neither can I. You can say so can I and neither can I to respond to sentences with can and can't. I can run a mile in 6 minutes. So can I. I can't sing very well. Neither can I. So will I and neither will I. You can say so will I and neither will I to respond to sentences with will and won't. I'll be in the office until 8 p.m. today. So will I. I won't be able to go on the trip. Neither will I. So would I and neither would I. You can say so would I and neither would I to respond to sentences with would and wouldn't. I'd like to learn how to cook. So would I. I wouldn't recommend that restaurant. Neither would I. The general rule. As you can see from the examples, the general rule for so and neither is that the verb matches the verb tense used in the original sentence.